A couple sat talking across from one another at a sidewalk cafe, wherein freedom was a brother to the field swept with rain. And that was real. A labyrinth became. And the family seal by posted parcel came to disbelieve the sculptor and sanctify the rain. A shoreline strolling refugee, a worried mind became my older brother. Father and mother, wife and child, the air was so mild. A couple sat talking across from one another at a sidewalk cafe wherein freedom was a brother to the field swept with rain. All that was real a labyrinth became, and the family seal by posted parcel came to disbelieve the sculptor and sanctify the rain. A shoreline strolling refugee, a worried mind became my older brother, sister, father, and mother.